It's been 80 hours and counting, and there's no trace of Bhole Baba. It was at his satsang on Tuesday that a killer stampede led to a loss of 121 lives. Investigations have revealed that it was mismanagement and negligence that led to the stampede. 6 sevadars have been arrested. But the man behind this satsang is nowhere to be found. He's not named in the FIR. He hasn't been questioned by the UP police. And everyone's wondering, what's going on? Why is this man getting such a long rope? 121 people died on his watch. Why is the UP police not even bothered questioning him? Why is he not being arrested?
Bhole Baba, the man at whose satsang 120 people died in Hathras, UP, has been on the run for 4 days now. Surajpal A.K. Narayan Sakar Hari hasn't been booked. He hasn't been named as an accused in an FIR. Initial SIT investigation report on the stampede has been submitted, and the police say that Bhole Baba will be questioned if required during the course of the investigation. But the big question is, where is Bhole Baba? In the last few days, a team of Special Operations Group has visited his ashram in Mainpuri. Those present inside the ashram have been questioned, but there is no word on the Baba or his whereabouts. This ashram in Bichwa, Mainpuri, built on 21 bighas of land on the Aligarh GT road, is said to be worth crores. The ashram has a luxurious mansion for the Baba and the garage to keep all his luxury cars.
बाबा की कोठी में जाने वाले सेवादारों में भी कुछ खास लोग ही हैं जो इस 21 बीघे में फैली कोठी के अंदर जा पाते हैं, वरना सेवादारों की फौज से लैस रहने वाला बाबा अपनी कोठी में सुरक्षित है। निगहबानी सिर्फ सेवादारों की है, ना उसने सीसीटीवी लगा रखा है और ना ही किसी को मोबाइल लेकर कोठी के अंदर आने की इजाजत है।
Apart from Mainpuri, Surajpal or Bhole Baba also has ashrams in Kashganj, Agra, Kanpur, Shahjahanpur and Gwalior as well. India Today visited the Baba's ashram in Kanpur.
Right behind me is the Singhasan of the Baba and the Devi Ma, which you can clearly see how beautifully it has been decorated, just like it's a Singhasan, the throne of any Rajput ruler or a Mughal ruler. And you can clearly see the Baba sitting there alongside is his wife, which they call the Devi Ma. And not just that Singhasan, that throne, but also you can clearly see that some signals quite here, and these chulas are also placed here. So these are the things which in a way makes it a different ashram.
This self-styled godman is said to be worth 100 crore rupees. He has different trusts in cities where he has ashrams. Dressed in white suits and shoes and colourful ties, he teaches humanism while flaunting expensive watches and flashy sunglasses.
मैया हाँ सब संसार कह रहा हुए कि प्रभु तो सत्य को साथ करके समाप्त करके चलेगा ही, जो मेरे पीछे हंसता भाव है। अब जब प्रभु को का दोष हुए, अब दोष लगाता रहा, लेकिन प्रभु को दोष तो कचना।
This is the only visual proof of the godman's last known location. He was seen fleeing in a massive convoy guarded by his security men. According to sources, the Sevadars also abandoned the stampede site as the crowd became uncontrollable. They allegedly misbehaved with the police and demanded no photos or videos to be taken. So far, only 6 people have been arrested. What about this man? Bureau Report, India Today.
Politics, meanwhile, is hotting up over the Hathras stampede horror. Rahul Gandhi met the victims and their families today and said that the compensation announced by the government is not enough. Akhilesh Yadav has been blaming the UP administration and the government, but both the UP ke ladke aren't questioning Bhole Baba or the lack of action against him. And what's most perplexing is that the government, which wants to project the image of being an efficient, quick, decisive government, so far hasn't been able to find him. Is he genuinely absconding and untraceable, or is the UP police and government just looking the other way?
Chaos and despair at the satsang in Hathras on July 2nd, when a sudden stampede turned a peaceful gathering into a disaster. The stampede broke out when devotees rushed to get Narayan Sakar Hari, Bhole Baba's Charan ki Dhool, or the sand from the path he walked down. The aftermath of the tragedy has seen grieving families recount their harrowing experiences.
भगदड़ में सामने भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ, जैसे उस समापन के बाद में जब उनकी गाड़ी जाती नहीं है तो एकदम जनता उनके बाहर को ले करती है मेन गेट पे। वहाँ कोई बैरिकेड नहीं था, बिल्कुल मेन गेट पर छोड़ दिया था। हाँ, बैरिकेड जैसे होते हैं पुलिस के सरकारी बैरिकेड बने होते ना लोहे के, वो कोई चीज नहीं थी वहाँ। और जैसे उनकी गाड़ी गई ना तो सेवादार भी उनके पीछे भागने लगे उनके निकालने के लिए।
Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi met grieving families in Hathras and Aligarh and heard their ordeal. The Congress MP blamed the Yogi Adityanath government for the mishap.
मैं इसको राजनीतिक प्रिज्म से नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, मगर प्रशासन की कमी तो है जी, और गलतियाँ तो हुई हैं, तो ये पता लगाना चाहिए। मैं यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर से विनती करता हूँ कि दिल खोल के कॉम्पनसेशन करें।
हम लोग सुबह 5 बजे निकले थे राहुल जी के साथ, जो पीड़ितों से मिले हैं उनकी मतलब कथा सुन के रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं। ना तो प्रशासन की कोई जिम्मेदारी फिक्स की गई है और ना सरकार की तरफ से कोई सीरियसली अभी तक लिया गया है।
What is conspicuous is the silence of political parties on the God man, whose real name is Suraj Pal. Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav lost his cool when a journalist asked questions about the Baba. The former CM had attended a satsang by the Baba recently.
आप बीजेपी के लिए काम मत करो, बहुत कर लिया आपने काम। आप बीजेपी के लिए काम मत करो, मेरा निवेदन है आप पत्रकार साथियों से।
UP Minister Baby Rani Maurya defended the Baba, stating that the stampede occurred after he had already left the ashram.
जब एक अध्यक्षता एक रिटायर्ड जज की अध्यक्षता में कमेटी गठित हो रही है, उसमें तथ्य निकल के आने दीजिए, उसमें ही पता चलेगा बाबा का दोष है कि नहीं है। कहा तो यही जा रहा है कि उनकी रज लेने भागे, वो निकल गए थे, हादसा तो बाद में हुआ है ना, अब देखो पता चले।
The Baba has not been named in the FIR so far. The kid glove treatment is not surprising as Suraj Pal is from the Jatav community, the same caste as Mayawati. With the BSP leaders' decline, all political parties have their eyes on the vote bank, which explains why leaders across party lines are shying away from taking on the Baba over the stampede.
Today, Rahul Gandhi met the victim's family but refrained from commenting on Baba. It looks like that standing alongside with the victim is indeed a priority, but talking about the man who is indeed the big reason behind the incident is still something which the political parties are refraining themselves. In Lucknow with cameraman Sandeep Abhishek Mishra for India Today.